Hello everyone, my name is Preeti from Analyst IELTS and today I will be briefing you about some of the common questions which are asked in speaking part 1 of the IELTS exam. So first of all, who all can take this exam? All those people who are planning to relocate to a foreign country, for example, Canada, Australia or New Zealand, or people who are planning to study abroad can take up this exam. So it's divided into IELTS General for immigration purpose and IELTS Academic for study visa. Now, as we all know that speaking exam is divided into 3 sections. So today I will be discussing about speaking part 1. It usually takes about 4 to 5 minutes for the examiner to conduct the part 1 of the speaking component. And I will be letting you know about some of the common topics today which are asked in the exam. So what is the question through which the exam begins? The first question is about introduction. The examiner introduces himself or herself to you, and after that he asks your introduction as well. So the first question which the examiner asks is, what is your full name or what is your name? So you tell your full name, and the next question which follows up is, how may I address you or what can I call you? So in case you have a nickname, you can mention your nickname. In case you don't have a nickname, you can mention your first name. For example, Geet, you can say, you can call me Geet. So as you can see here, these are some of the common topics. The first topic can be hometown, then neighborhood, work, study, friends, sports, hobbies, daily routine, food, and family. These are some of the various topics which can be taken up in IELTS speaking part 1. All these questions are related to you and your life. They are not at all difficult to answer. So the first topic is hometown. The possible questions that can be asked are, where are you from? Do you like your hometown? What do you like the most about it? Is there anything you dislike about your hometown? Neighborhood. How well do you know people who live next door to you? How often do you see your neighbors? How do you think neighbors can help each other? Work. Do you work somewhere, or what do you do for a living? Do you like your job? Study. What are you studying? Why did you choose that major? Then the next topic is about friends, which is a most common topic. So the possible questions which can be asked are, do you have a lot of close friends? Do you think friendship is important? What kind of people do you like to have as friends? Sports. Do you like sports, or do you enjoy playing any game? What kind of sports or games did you play when you were a child? Then the next topic is hobbies. What hobbies or interests do you have? Do you prefer your hobby with other people, or do you prefer to be alone? Why do you think so many people have hobbies? After that, the next topic is daily routine. So the questions which are usually asked are, what is your daily routine? What would you like to change in your daily routine? Are all your days the same? Then the next topic is food. What food do you like to eat? Do you enjoy cooking? What is your favorite meal of the day? And then comes family. How many people are there in your immediate family? Which member of the family are you closest to? How much time do you spend with your family? So these are some of the topics which I have discussed today. The examiner always gives you marks based on 4 parameters, which are pronunciation, fluency, vocabulary, and grammar, about which I will be discussing in my next video. So please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so that you will keep getting the regular updates. I also take online IELTS classes. All those who are interested in joining my classes can contact me on my number 98907 25212. Thank you so much for watching my video.